Good afternoon. Today we shall start trigonometry. Which has been derived from two Greek words, that is trigonon and metron. You see, this is three angle is a measure. Okay. Now, you all are aware of these things. You see, our number system, you see, this is originated from this angle concept. Here, you see, this is called 0. Why it is called 0? Because this is no angle. So, it is 0. You see, this is 1. You see, this is 1. Why it is called 1? Because here is only one angle. You see, this is 2. This 2 angles like this. So, angles plays a vital role in this number system. Now, we are interested in measurement of angles like this. You see, we shall consider this. This is a simple ray OA. OA is a ray. This point is called end point, right. If we will rotate this ray to up or down, we will get angles. You see, this is initial side. Initial side of ray. Suppose you move to this position. This is the terminal side. You see? So, we move in this manner up, and this is the angle is created. Now, we are interested as per our syllabus positive angles and negative angles, right. Okay. You see, if we move anti-clockwise, then we get positive angles. If we move downward, this is if we move upward, that is anti-clockwise. Yes, you will get positive angles. When you move clockwise, because you see our clock moves like this, this घंटा टा एमती चलुछि, is called clockwise. एमती जेतले मूवमेंट हबो माने डाउनवर्ड ग्रेटा को बुले देबा, we will get negative angles, right. So, now we shall read what are the methods of measuring angles. You see, there are 3 systems for measuring angles. 3 systems for measuring angles. One is sexagesimal, that is English system, I mean, yes, English system, right. One is centesimal, that is French system, and another last one is circular system. Here, before doing this, you see, first you see, one right angle. Let us discuss about right angle. Let me tell you what is right angle. This is a unit circle, you see here, this is a circle. Suppose this is your center A. When this ray moves, covers, I mean this portion, that means 1/4. When a ray rotates 1/4 of a circle, you get a right angle which is equal to 90 degree. This is equal to 90 degree, right? Now, here one right angle is equal to 90 degrees. This is degrees. 1 degree is equal to 60 seconds, 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, right. And we are not interested in centimeter French system, that is 100 grades. One right angle is equal to 100 grades, that is not in our practice. Now, here we are interested here in this system, you see. Suppose we consider a unit circle whose radius is r, and this OA ray rotates anticlockwise, where this r is equal to s. Here the ray OA rotates anticlockwise such that radius is equal to arc length s. Then the angle created at center O is called a radian, whose symbol is like this, one C, radian. We are interested in this calculation, radian and degree, this conversion is like this. I will just tell you. Right. One radian is equal to 180 degrees by pi, or 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. These are the conversion. We will have to solve some problems basing on this, right. Let us do some problems, those who are covered on the syllabus, right. Questions. I mean, find the degree measure, measure of, I mean 2 pi by 15 c. That means this angle is given in radian and we have to change it to degrees. So, what I will do, when one radian is equal to 180 degrees by pi, that implies 2 pi by 15 is equal to what? 180 by pi into 2, yes, 2 pi by 15, this pi goes. So, this becomes 12. So, this is 36, sorry, 24, sorry, I am sorry, 24, yes, 24 degrees, right. Another one, sorry. Let us take another one, pi by 8, pi by 8 radian, convert to degree. So, is equal to how much? Pi by 8 into 180 degrees by pi. How much this pi cancels? 180 degrees by 8. So, 25 degrees, 45 by 2, 45 by 2, 45 is 4, 2, yes, 45 by, this will be 22 half degrees, right. Achha. Now, let us convert. Achha. Here we have converted the radian angle to degrees. Now, take us the reverse one. Find the radian measure of the corresponding degree measure. Question. Find the radian and the radian measures what is that? 340 degrees of 340 degrees. Answer. We know 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. That implies 340 degrees is pi by 180 into 340. So, this goes. So, what becomes? This is becomes 17 pi by 9. You cancel it by 2, this will be 17, this is 9. So, altogether it will be 79 by pi radian. I am taking another question, you see, second one. As 520 degrees say. Find the radian measure of 520 degrees. So, this will be what? 5 by 180 into 520. So, the radian goes. So, this is 6. No, it is not cancelled by 6. So, ultimately this will be let us take divide by 2. So, this is 9, this is 26. So, this will be 26 pi. Yes. Okay. Now, we have just read the conversion of radian to degree and a degree to radian. Now, as per our syllabus, you see, right. Now, we shall now discuss about the different kinds of trigonometric ratios. I mean, ratios. What are these trigonometric ratios? Let us, we are interested. We are that you have read in school. तो school ले पढ़ी चुके विषय है. Don't have that impression. It is difficult. It is very easy. Are the trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions, or we say ratios, right? Okay. We have to discuss this sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. There are 6 trigonometric functions. So, let us take the angle theta, and we are taking this right angle triangle. This angle is theta. This is perpendicular. This is base. This is height, hypotenuse. This is corner. This is base. This is perpendicular. This is bhumi. This is corner. This is lamba. The relation, we have to find the relation between this B, P and H. H is the first letter of hypotenuse, B is the first letter of base, and P is the first letter of perpendicular. So, you show sin theta is P by H, cos theta is B by H, tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, that is you see P by H by B by H. So, H cancels, this becomes P by B, and this is, you see, this is reciprocal, this is 1 by tan theta or cos theta by sin theta, or this is simply B by P. You see, this is the reverse one, this is reverse one, this is reverse one. This is 1 by cos theta, this is 1 by sin theta. So, ultimately you get this is H by B and this is H by P. This is the ratio relation, right. Now, we have to verify these things, identities, you know, trigonometric identities. That is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Second one is sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. You know this proof, proof is very easy, you see. Suppose you try to prove this, you see, you know sin theta is P by H, the square, cos theta is, you see, what is cos theta here? B by H square. So, this becomes, what is it? P square by H square plus B square by H square, LCM is H square, and this is P square plus B square. Ultimately, P square plus B square is equal to H square, H square is equal to P square plus B square. So, use this is H square by H square is 1. Right. From this we get what? Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta, because we require this for solving problems, and cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. Similarly, you can prove this sec square theta minus sin square by the same process. You can prove this where we can use these formulas, that is sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, and tan square theta is sec square theta minus 1, right. Similarly, cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, and cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. These formulas we derive this for solving our problems, for this is valid for all values of theta. Now, we shall see in trigonometry, we shall remember 3 tables, most important tables, so that it will be easier on your part to conquer trigonometry. These tables I will tell, so that you will not cram, किसी घुसवा दरकार नहीं, जेकोसी पिला जो मुहूर्त में जेकोसी फॉर्मूला एवं तार मूल्य गुड़ा कही पार. आम ये टेबुल कतोटी नवा, यस टेबुल 1. You see, this is, I have told you, this is the initial line, and we take this as, suppose there is 0 degree, let us move like this. This becomes what? Pi, that is pi, sorry, pi by 2, this is 90 degree. Now, you come to this again. So, this becomes pi, that is 180 degree, this measure up to this is 90 plus 90. Now, again come to this place, this becomes 270 degrees, that is 3 pi by 2. Now, when you complete this, that means when the ray coincides with the initial position, again the terminate side coincides with the initial side, this becomes 2 pi, that is 360 degree, right. Now, you have to remember this A, S, T, C. What is this? S, T, C. आप कहते हैं A, S, T, C rule, that is all sin, tan, cos. What does it mean? All means all the values, that is sin, you see, sin, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. These 6 trigonometric ratios, whatever value of theta you take from 0 to 90, all are positive, all positive. This rules, this AST rule sets which angle is positive in which quadrant. You see, this is first quadrant Q1, this is second quadrant Q2, this is third quadrant Q3, this is fourth quadrant Q4. Q1 is from what? 0 degree to 90 degree. Q2 is what? From 90 degree to 180 degrees. Q3 is from 180 degrees to 270 degrees. Q4 is 270 degrees to 360 degrees. These are called quadrants. हम ओडिया जोड़ा कहते प्रथम पाद, द्वितीय पाद, तृतीय पाद, चतुर्थ पाद, ये सब ये जो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट रे सब ये 6टा को पॉजिटिव, एठी के पॉजिटिव ना साइन पॉजिटिव. व्हेन साइन इज पॉजिटिव then its reciprocal is positive, cosec is also positive. In this third quadrant Q3, you see here tan is positive, and so if tan is positive, it is reciprocal 1 by tan, is cot is positive. Similarly, which is positive here in the fourth quadrant, cos is positive. So 1 by cos sec is also positive. How will you remember this? You remember this is the rule. How will you remember ASTC rule? आपको अनेक माने एमती कहती और कौन कौन ना add sugar to coffee. এটা সহজে মনে রাখি পাইব কফিরে চিনি মিশা দেখো এ আড এস সুগার টি সি এটা মনে এস টি সি মনে রাখো নহলে আড সুগার টু কফি এস আড সুগার টু কফি মনে হলে তাহলে প্রথম কোয়াড্রান্টরে এ দ্বিতীয় কোয়াড্রান্টরে এস তৃতীয় কোয়াড্রান্টরে টি চতুর্থ কোয়াড্রান্টরে সি প্লিজ রিমেম্বার দিস রাইট দিস রুল ইজ ফার্স্ট টেবল. Now we will come to table 2. This is my sincere request, please remember these 3 tables so that you will never fail in trigonometry. Table 2. Yes. Table 2 is like this, you see pi by 2 plus minus theta, that is 90 degrees plus minus theta, 3 pi by 2 plus minus theta, that is 270 degrees plus minus theta, and pi plus minus theta, that is 180 degrees plus minus theta, same thing, and 2 pi plus minus theta, that is 360 degrees plus minus theta and minus theta. You see, I will tell this rule. You do not घोषिबा किसी दरकार नहीं, just you remember these rules. Here ratio changes, ratio remains same. Please remember these things. What ratio changes? Sin cos, sin thile cos hobo, cos thile sin. I will clarify it in bhole kahibi, tan to cot, sec, cosec. Here ratio change karibo. I will give you the example. Here ratio remains same, ta mane sin sin hi rahibo, je jaha thila seya rahibo, no change, ratio remains same. अच्छा, the positive or negative sign follows from table 1 by the original ratio, by the position of the original ratio, by the position of original ratio. You see, what does it mean? You see, suppose somebody asks you what is I mean tan 180 plus theta. You first see this 180 plus theta, this is 180 plus theta, you come to this third quadrant. Okay, आउे कुछ देख तुमको जन पचारा 180 डिग्री प्लस थीटा, tan 180 प्लस थीटा, घुषिया किसी दरकार नहीं, टेबुल खाली मन रख, आगे देखिए एंगल कौट पड़ा 180 प्लस थीटा, एटा 90, एटा 180, एटा 270, 180 प्लस थीटा मैंने एपटू पलि आसला. सो ये एंगलटा रहीगला आसी कौटी ना थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट रे 180 प्लस थीटा, तेणु एठी पॉजिटिव किए tan पॉजिटिव रहा, ये पॉजिटिवटा रहा. अच्छा तापर कौन कहे एपट साइडटा यहाँ जेहेतु 180 प्लस थीटा आम एपट जाइए ताले कौन हम रेशियो कौन रेशियो रिमेन सेम, तेणु tan रहा tan थीटा. अच्छा आउ थे आस tan 180 माइनस थीटा से एंगलटा एठिक पलि आसला, ताले एठी कौन हम सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट tan टा नेगेटिव आसो, साइन इज नेगेटिव, and ratio remains same, this is minus tan theta. आउ गोटे क्वेश्चन देख मनकर तुम गोटे कि पचारा cos 90 प्लस थीटा cos 90 प्लस थीटा 90 प्लस थीटा को क्वाड्रेंट ठीक आसला अच्छा एटी पॉजिटिव किए साइन पॉजिटिव बा कोसेक पॉजिटिव कॉसटा नेगेटिव सो एटी नेगेटिव आसीगला साइनटा नेगेटिव आसला अच्छा रेशियोटा कौन है एटा जेहेतु 90 प्लस माइनस एपटा आसुची रेशियो चेंजेस साइन थिले कॉस हो एटी जेहेतु कॉस अछि तो एटा साइन हे गला साइन थीटा ओके अच्छा let us take other examples also what is that I mean aba sec 270 plus theta sec 270 plus theta sec नवा ना cot नवा बेटर हो ना sec टाको नहीं जिया 270 plus theta को quadrant आसला fourth quadrant we are reaching here is 270 when we are taking triangle 270 plus theta we are coming to fourth quadrant फोर्थ चतुर्थ पद पड़े आसले आगे एंगलटा देखो कौट पड़ुछि तापर देखिबा एटा 270 प्लस माइनस थीटा अच्छा एठी cos पॉजिटिव माने 1/cos sec बी पॉजिटिव तो साइनटा पॉजिटिव आगे आसला दे देले अच्छा एठी रेशियो चेंज होछ ना चेंज हो देखिबा आमे जेहेतु 270 प्लस माइनस थीटा ए कैटेगरी रे आसुछि ए कैटेगरी 1 कैटेगरी 2 कैटेगरी 1 रे आसुछि एठी कोन रेशियो चेंजेस कोन होबो sec थिले कोन हो जो cosec हे जिवो cosec थीटा राइट लेट अस टेक अनदर थिंग cot से cot 270 plus theta please see अच्छा 270 plus theta we are coming here एठी पळे आसले तापर देखिबा एठी cot पॉजिटिव ना नेगेटिव cot टा नेगेटिव एठी आसिला नेगेटिव आसिला एरु एसटिस रूल से अच्छा cot टा 270 रे रेशियो कोन हो ना चेंज हो cot टा कोन जो tan हो सो दिस इज tan theta राइट अच्छा जे कौन से एंगल हो पॉजिटिव हो नेगेटिव अच्छा हमें पॉजिटिव अच्छा नेगेटिव एंगल देखो साइन माइनस थीटा कौन आसुची साइन माइनस थीटा माने एपटे तलुक आसो एठी साइनटा कौन हो नेगेटिव अच्छे तो सेटा है माइनस साइन थीटा किंतु कॉस माइनस थीटा है प्लस इज इक्वल टू प्लस कॉस थीटा व्हाई बिकॉज हियर कॉस इज पॉजिटिव अच्छा आउ गोटे क्वेश्चन तो मुझे कहबी प्लीज रिमेम्बर दिस गोटे जिनस व्हाट एवर द एंगल जिते बड़ एंगल हो यू डिवाइडेड बाय 360 तापर आम कन्वर्ट कर पकेबा ए फर्मुला रे कौज एंगल से रोचे तार भैल्यू कौन आस अच्छा गोटे एग्जांपल कहूँ देख मनकर तुमको कहला फाइंड द वैल्यू गोटे क्वेश्चन देला find value of cos 1070 मन करना 1140 डिग्री मन कर कहला एंड इन which quadrant it is present. This is the question. What should be the answer? You see, let us first see 1140 degrees is how much? 1140 degrees टाको आमे कौन करवा डिवाइड करवा 1140 ताको डिवाइड कला 360 रे how much you take 300 you see so what remains 60 so you see what is this 360 into 3 plus 60 degrees so what remains please see this 360 means you complete 3 times 3 thar boli gala so this is 0 because 0 is equal to 360 so what happens is this is 60 degree this angle reduces to 60 degree. Now we are interested in cos 60 you see So, cos 60 we will know the value, that is half. I will tell you these value also now in the third table now, just now we will discuss this, right. Suppose I want more spaces, I have you see, suppose you take the values, this table 3 I will write it again in broadly I will write this. That is, I hope you have read it in schools. I hope these values, these are most important. Because we are writing this table 3, suppose you have to find the values, you see sin, cos. If you write these values, these two, then you can write the values of all. I am again repeating this. These are the ratios. Yes. Here are these ratios and these are the angles. Suppose you first take this 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 120 degrees, 135 degrees, 150 degrees and 80 degrees. Rest values you can easily find out these tables. These preliminary values you have to, don't grab these things, घोषिबा की दरकार नहीं, just you simply do some rules to find values. 1. Write 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Step 2, divide by 4. So, you get 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. take square root. So, what you will get? This is 0, you take this is to half, this is what 1 by root 2, because this is half ultimately, this is root 3 by 2 and this is 1. Okay. You please put this value here, you take this, make this box here and shift this box to this place, you see this box. Please you shift this box to this place here. So, this is 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. So, it is very easy to remember the values, and why I have given these values, because you know from 0 to again I am writing that 0, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees and again it is 360 degrees. Here you see, here it is all means sine cos all are positive. Here sine is positive, so cosec is positive, all sine, that rule I have told, tan positive and cos positive. Its reciprocals are also positive. Here sine means cosec positive, tan means cot positive, cos means sec positive, right. So, what we have seen here from 0 to 180 degrees, this sine, because here is sine, all means all these 6 are covered, sine covers this much up to this. So, it carries the positive sign and you just reverse order this root 3 by 2. Please you see this reverse 1 by root 2, this is half, this is 0. Now, please put it in value of sine, say x or whatever I like, sine x. Put it in reverse order, ulte newa, in a reverse order for cos x. That means you put the reverse order, that is 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, half and 0. So, it is not necessary to cram this thing, ghoshiwa kichi darkar nahi, just remember these methods. So, anyone can do this at any moment, even in examination hall. You should not cram this, ghoshiwa darkar nahi adu, very easy. Write these numbers, divide by 4, take the square root, put the box here in sign, and the reverse order means this 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, half and 0, this order, this is called the reverse order. Put the reverse order in cos x, this. And here you see, I have told you here from 90 to 180, this part is 90 to 180, this part. This is negative here, cos is negative here. So, you get a minus sign here, minus, minus, minus. What will be this? Minus, what will be this? Root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, minus half, minus 1. When we get the values of sine and cos, ultimately you can find the values of all this entire table. You see, tan is what? This is sine by cos. This is cos by sine or cos by sine or 1 by tan or 1 by tan, whatever you write, 1 by tan ja cos hai. And what is sec? This is 1 by cos. What is cosec? It is 1 by sine, right. Tan is sine by cos, 0 by 1. What is that? 0. 1 by 2 root 3, 1 by 2, you see 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. What you will get? That is 1 by root 3. this is 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, this is equal to 1. This is root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. What you will get? Root 3 like this. This is not defined because 1 by 0 is not defined, and rest you can fill up these values. Here cot is cos by sine, this is 1 by 0 not defined. You can write this 1 by 0 not defined, 1 by 0 not defined. Here we see also this becomes what, root 3, it is reciprocal, यार उल्टा कर दो 1 by कर दियो, एटा 1 एटा 1 by root 3, this is 0. Here sec is it is reciprocal 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2 not defined. Here it is 1 by sine not defined. This is 2, this is root 2, this is 2 by root 3, yes, this is what, 1 by 1. So, we have in table 3 we have discussed all these values here. Now, yes, now we have discussed about the signs of the trigonometric functions. Now, let us take the domain and range of these trigonometric functions. Now, I will make a table, so it will be here for you to remember these functions. Then I mean domain, and another is range. Sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Okay. Domain is the value of value of angle, I mean independent variable, this is independent variable, value of this. That means you are taking say x, this is value of x, this is values of x, and this is value of y. So, range is this is value of y, that like this, y is equal to f x, x is independent and y is dependent. You can change the value of x here first, you see x and y. Suppose y is equal to 5x plus 3, you put it 0 here, you get 3, 1 here, 8, 2 here, 13. So, we put the value of first x independent. So, here you see sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, sec x, cosec x. Here this x is independent variable here. So, we have to take here all real numbers, all real r, that means set of real numbers. Here it is also same, all real r, and this value is minus 1 1, yes, this is minus 1 1. That means you might have read in high school पढ़ाई थे पारे sin x रो सर्वाधिक मूल्य 1, सर्वनिम्न मूल्य विजुक्त 1. So whatever value you take of x रो जेकोसी मूल्य नबा आमे sin x रो मूल्य सर्वदा minus 1 रो 1 भितर रहिबो. So this is called the range. Whatever value you take, x रो value जत्ते बड़ नियो 5 लाख नियो 10 लाख नियो ता माने कोन x value 5 लाख नबा ता माने कोन, what does it mean? एंगल टा कोन होबा आम 360 रे ताकू हरि दबा ता पले कोन होबो सर्कुलर हे जिवो सेटा कमी कमी पळे आसीबो गोटे लेस देन 90 डिग्री की पळे आसीबो गोटे सुखो गुण को पळे आसीबो. सो व्हाटएवर वैल्यू वी टेक फॉर x, but the value of sin x will always remain within -1 to 1. So this is the range of the sine function. Similarly, this is the range of the cosine function. And as far as tan is concerned, is a set of all x such that x is not equal to, this means pi by 2 because it will not exist, minus pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, right, 5 pi by 2 and so on. So, excluding those values as domain, we will get here the set of real numbers. Similarly, here what will happen? This is I mean set of all x such that x is not equal to, see why 0, because why, cot is cos by sin, cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0, 1 by 0 does not exist. So, for that reason we are excluding these values of x for which this function does not exist. These are 0, pi, 2 pi and so on, these values cannot be taken. Yes, and here also you will get the range r here. And now sec is set of all x such that x cannot be. You see why I am writing this cannot be, because for these values these functions will not exist, the value रहबनी जोटा हम infinite value स्कूल पढ़ी छे does जोटा हम कहछे undefined value कहछे. Yes, it is pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 and so on, minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2 and so on. Yes. Similarly, this will be same thing as 0, pi, 2 pi and so on, I mean minus pi, minus 2 pi and so on. These values will not take x, x रे value हेले यार value गुड़ा infinity हो जिवो जोड़ा non defined हो जिवो एठी कोन हबो y रे value कोड रहबो एठी हबो set of y such that y is less than equal to 1 or less than equal to minus 1 or y is greater than equal to 1, I hope. Yes, greater than equal to 1. The same thing will happen here also, y is less than equal to minus 1 or y is greater than equal to 1. Just 2 minutes left. Now, we have discussed about the trigonometric angles measurement, degrees and radians conversion of one into another, and trigonometric values, that is proofs of identities, sign of trigonometric functions, ASTC rule, domain and range of trigonometric functions, and we will just read their graphs. I hope you have some idea about graphs. In 1 or 2 minutes, I will show you the graph. You see, suppose you have to draw the graph of y is equal to sin x. You see, in normal way, we put a table like this. For drawing, I am gote graph आंकिबा पई आमे कोन करे ना गोटे टेबल करे से टेबल ले आमे कोन करबा ना x और y रे वैल्यू रखिबा हला सो आमे y माने एठा माने छ sin x, y is equal to sin x, right. Suppose 0, sin 0 0, sin 30 degrees half, sin 45 degree 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 90 1, like this. Here, you take this, that is 120 degrees and 135 degrees, 150 degrees and 180 degrees. Values will remain same. This is root 3 by 2, this is 1 by root 2, this is half, this is 0. And this part also you can take the negative part. I am drawing this, you see. This is degree, I mean angle theta. Achha. Suppose this is y axis, this is x axis, y is sin x, you see, this is 0 degree, say you will take 30 degrees, I mean 45 degrees, I mean 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 120 degrees, 135, 150, 180, you see. Sin 90, you see this value is 1 because y is equal to 1 here, here is 1, yes, this is a point, and at this is 1, sin 180 is 0, sin 0 is 0. What happens? The graph goes like this and so on. What happens here? Sin 90 is 1, sin 0 is 0, sin 100 is 0. Thank you. In the next class, we will discuss about other graphs. Thank you.